In today's video, I will show you how you can connect Cloudflare domain to Vercel. So this is really easy to do. Firstly, go to domains section on Cloudflare. So you want to open your domains, and then you just want to open domain for which you want to connect to Vercel. So I have only this one, so I'm gonna open it. Then you want to go to DNS records. And from here, if you have existing records, like me, I have this CNAME record here, you want to remove it. So I will click on edit and I will click on delete. Yes, delete. And this is going to delete your records because we are going to add records from Vercel. So that's why you need to remove your old records. And now we can go to Vercel and you want to open project to which you want to add your Cloudflare domain. So I have this simple calculator here. I already have connected the domain, but this is different domain. So let's say I want to add this Cloudflare one. So I will go to domains on the left side. Firstly, I will remove this old configuration. And now I just want to click on add existing. And we're gonna paste our domain. So it's checkmarkacademy.space. And I'm gonna paste it in. And you should see it in the drop down. So you want to select it and then make sure this is checked because this is going to redirect your domain to this www. So it's also recommended. So make sure to check this. And then you can keep this like this and then just save. And now it's showing us the invalid configuration. So we need to add those two records. So this is the first record and this is the second record, and we need to add them to our Cloudflare. So that's why we removed the old record, because we are going to add a new one. So first one is A, so type is A, name is this symbol, and the value is this. So I'm gonna copy the value. And in the Cloudflare, you want to click on add record. Type was A, and the name is this symbol, and paste the value. And make sure this proxy status is unchecked, so it is the DNS only. Then click save. Now we can add a second record, which was CNAME. So type of the record is CNAME, name is www, and this is the value. So I'm gonna copy the value. And as you can see, the first one is already checked, so it's super fast. So type was CNAME. Name is www, and this is the value. Again, make sure proxy status is disabled, so it's showing you DNS only. Click save. And now once you have those two records, we can go back to Vercel. And if I refresh this, it might take a while. Once your DNS records are checked, you will see a check mark, valid configuration, and this is how you can connect your Cloudflare domain to Vercel. So now we can try it. If I open the overview, you can see I have different domains. So the domain I had before was .shop and this is .space. So if I open it, as you can see, everything works. So this is how you can connect your Cloudflare domain to Vercel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.